ಹಾಯ್, ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಮಮತಾ ಅಂತ. ಮುರಳಿ ಪ್ರೀತಮ್ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್. ನಾನು ಚಂದ್ರಪಟ್ಟಣದಿಂದ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ನನ್ನ ಮಗ SSLC ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ನಮಗೆ ಅಪ್ಪು ಮುರಳಿ ಪ್ರೀತಮ್ ಮುಂಚೆ ತುಂಬ ಡಲ್ ಇದ್ದ. ಇತ್ತೀಚೆಗೆಲ್ಲ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಅವ್ರು ಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಡೇ ಬೈ ಡೇ ತುಂಬ ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಯಾವುದೇ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದರೂ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅವನು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇತ್ತೀಚೆಗೆ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಕಲ್ತ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಮತ್ತು ಅವ್ರು ಯಾವ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಒಂದು ಲೆಸನ್ ಆದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಮತ್ತೆ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕೊಡೋದು, ಆ ಟೆಸ್ಟಿಂದ ಆದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಆಗಲೇ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅವ್ನಿಗೆ ಏನೇ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇದ್ರೂ ಯಾವಾಗ ಟೈಮ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಅವಾಗೆಲ್ಲ ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಮತ್ತು ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ನಡುವೆ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೈನ್ಸಲ್ಲೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಕನ್ನಡ ಗ್ರಾಮರು ಮತ್ತು ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಗ್ರಾಮರು ಅದರಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಬೇರೆ ಈಗ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಓದ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಶೃಂಗೇರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ. ಅವ್ನು ಏನಾದ್ರು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದಿದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಯಾವುದೇ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೂ ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಈ ಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮಕ್ಳುಗಳಿಗೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೂ ಟ್ಯೂಷನಲ್ಲೂ ಇಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಕ್ಳುಗಳು ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ನನಗೆ ಈ ಸಲನೇ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿದ್ದು. ಎಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಈ ಥರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಇವ್ರದ್ದು ಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಕೂಡ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಮುರಳಿ ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ ಆಗಿರೋದು ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಒಂಥರ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅವರು ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡೋ ರೀತಿನೂ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
Hello everyone, welcome to Akshara Tutorials YouTube channel. Hope you all are doing good. In this video, I will be explaining you how to find square root of any digit number. In the last video, I have explained how to find squaring of any digit number by using a simple trick. If you have not yet watched, the link has been given in the description box. Yes, so let's begin. So before finding square root, you must know the square numbers from 1 to 10. So here, finding a square root of any digit number, the best way is long division method. I have taken few examples here. See, different digit numbers. Here single digit in second example, 3-digit number in the third example, 4-digit number. Let us start finding square root of this number. See students, write 5 and follow this long division method this way. 5. So 5 divided by square number. Divided by square number. So 1 ones are 1. We have still greater number, right? 2 2s are 4, which is nearer to 5, right? 2 2s are 4, I can choose here. Next, subtract 5 minus 4, 1. 5 minus 4, 1. Now, I want to continue this still. I want the values in decimal places, right? So what I will do, I will put point. So for one decimal point, you can take 2 zeros. You can take 2 zeros. Okay, see, I can take 2 zeros by putting one decimal point. Okay, at each stage, I can take 2 zeros here. Now, 100. What you will do here, again add the same number. 2 plus 2, 4. 2 plus 2, 4. Again, what you will do here, you want to divide this 100, right? Again, in one's place, you must take the square number. 40. So if you put 41 into 1, what is that? 41 into 1, you will get 41. 41. You can go with still more number, greater number. If I take 2, 42 into 2. 42 into 2, you get 84. 84, okay? 84. I can take 84. Again, subtract this, you will get 16. Okay? See here what you will do, I will add the ones digit 2, same number 2, that is 44 you'll get 44. Okay, now 16, I cannot divisible 16 by 44, right? Again I will shift 2 zeros again. Once if you put decimal point, you can take as many zeros in each steps. See, again fill ones digit by square number. See, 44, if you fill 6, see 446 into 6, 440, see 446 into 6, how much you'll get? 1329. 1329, this is the nearest number for 1600. Okay, 1329. Again subtract, you'll get 271. So the division process continues till how many decimal value you want. So I have stopped here till 2 digit after the decimal point, right? So square root of 5 is 2.26 and it continues. I have stopped till 2 digit, 2 decimal point. Okay, yes. So here in the next example, I have taken 3 digit. Here in 3 digit number, how to group the numbers? How to group the digits here? See students, here I have odd digits, right? 1, 2, 3. 3 digits I have. You must group, must follow the grouping way. See, if you get odd digit, say for example 623. If you get odd digit, see, always group single. If you get odd digits, always group the first single and then two groups. Okay, for odd digits. See, for example, if I choose 7290895. See, here I have odd digits, right? 7 digits I have. What I will do, always take the first number single group and then 222. Okay, this is for odd digit number grouping. For even digit, if you have 4 digit number, okay, 1204, then what you do? 222. For even digit, always group 222. Okay, if I get 8 digit, 23004956, always group 22. Only if you get odd digit, the first single number should be grouped one side and next two groups. Okay, this is the method here to be followed. Now let's discuss here how to find square root of odd digit number. Here also, as I said, first group the single digit and then 2 since it is odd digit number. First 5. As usual, you can go here. See, 5, 2 2s are 4. Subtract, get 1. Again, add the same number, 4. Fill the ones place here. See, 1 cannot be divisible here. So I will take shift 23. So 123. See, look here for the nearest number. 42 into 2 I can take, right? 42 into 2, right? 42 into 2 will get 84. Again subtract, will get 39, right? But here, see, I will add 2 here again for the ones digit. So same number 44. Next, you must fill the ones digit here. If you divide this, if your division continues, see here, this is 39. What I will do? I don't have further number here, so I will take zeros. So before taking zeros, you must put decimal point here. Then you can take zeros. Okay, 3900. So now check for the nearest number 44. If I take 8, then I will get the nearest number for 3900. That is 3584. Okay, see, divide here, get 3584. The process continues. I have stopped till here. See, square root of 523 is 22.8. Okay, in the same way, you can do for even digit number 1729. Here I have taken the even digit number 1729. See, as I said, for grouping even digit number. So before finding square root of any digit number, you must check whether it is even digit or odd digit. Clear? This is even digit. So group 2. First is 17. 17, right? For 17, nearest is 4 4s are 16. 4 4s are 16. Get, if you subtract, get 1, 1, then you can shift 29. Now, add the same number, you will get 8. Fill the ones digit by, see, check for the nearest number 129. So, nearest number is 81 into 1. If you go 82 into 2, it will be greater than 129. So, I will take 81, 1s are 81. Subtract 48, you will get 48. So if you add this, 82. Now what you will do? I don't have further numbers. I will take 0. So before taking this 0, put point. Take 0. Take zeros now. So check for the nearest number of 4800. If you take 5, the ones place, then you'll get, that is 4125. 4125. So subtract this, 675. So you will get 675. If you want, again you can do the further process. Same way you can follow. I will stop here. 41.5. Okay, I have stopped till 1 decimal point. So hope you all understood this long division method, which is the best way to find square root of any digit number. Take 2 more examples for practice. 15 and 952. Please do try these 2 examples and comment your answer in the comment box. Thank you for watching this video.